Ben there and Gaz.
Yo.
And we are headed to our local, I'd say a local wedge. Gaz, would you mind breaking down the situation right now and what the plan is?
Would you like an optimistic view or a pessimistic view? I'll give you the optimistic view to start with. We've got a medium-sized swell. It's like 4 or 5 foot at 12 seconds. But we have a horrible, nasty onshore wind, and Magic Seaweed is lying to us. It says it's 9 miles per hour, but it's probably more like 25 miles per hour. So we've got some issues. I'm trying to stay calm. And we're going to go head over to a slab that Nick has promised us that is going to be a little bit of shelter. So one of us boys needs to be on like
Maps.
Yeah, on maps like this, and on like Magic Seaweed circuit or
Gaz managed to get himself into a parking ticket for the exact amount of €13.68.
60.
13 euros 60. So a very serious deal.
Better than a home, man. Home's like what, fucking 50 to 100 pounds?
Yeah. So Tom's nice and hangry, and he's cooking an emergency meal between 2 surf sessions.
Gotta be done, gotta be done. I haven't eaten for hours, so yeah.
Here's a recipe so I can make one. Good, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Get some nutrition down there and just set you up for the day.
Smells good. Huh? There's a light. Better say twice.
Wow.
Found like a rib or something.
Our local friend Sergio took us to these nice hot water springs, and we're gonna go and take a little dip now. Some people are cooking here, there's some music, and it's overall really relaxed and actually free. There's a lot of spots where you can just sit down, like just down there, where you can sit down for free and enjoy the hot springs. So this is amazing. This is what happens when you connect with locals.
So nice, so warm. For free. Oh.
Alright, Nick, you gotta give me a description now. How are you feeling?
Like I'm diving into a warm hot apple pie.
Oh my god, this is amazing!
on this note, I'm gonna close this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let's see what else the Azores holds as a secret, what else there is to discover. Such a great place. I highly advise you to come.